Gemini Intelligence will also let you make custom widgets, which I thought was really convenient. Like literally just a temporary widget for something like a trip you're about to be on or some event you've got coming up, where again, it sorts through everything it knows about that trip through the services it's connected to, like the weather and the flight information. Basically, you choose exactly what you want to show up and it makes a widget for you. And then when you're done, you can just get rid of it. And this specifically, I think, is one of the best strengths of Android. Not just like this one example, but the ability to do a lot of customization and do a ton of detailed personalization inside of something without knowing exactly how to do it. Like we've had this ability in Google Home before where there's a ton of, most people just do like the one-click light bulb, very simple stuff, but there's also tons of automations built in. And if you don't know how to use it, you might never touch it. But if AI can let you, with natural language, just ask it to, hey, turn on the light and the AC when I get home and do these 2 or 3 other settings and change all this stuff, and then it just builds the automation for you, that's a huge win. So this is another example of that. A custom widget, for even someone like me, would take quite a bit of time. Okay, find the right app, find the right customization settings, build exactly the way you want it to be. But if you could just ask it to build the widget for you and it does it, that's a win. Now, Android Auto got a big update as well. The biggest one is probably just the visual overhaul. It looks a lot like a response to all those Apple Maps versus Google Maps comparisons we've been seeing for the last couple of years now, because it's now much more visually modern. Plus, it shows useful information too. Like there's building silhouettes, which can help. There's overpasses and even specific lane guidance, so you know which lane you're supposed to be in for an upcoming direction. And then there's also the app drawer swipe over from the left side, or the widgets that live over to the right side, which again are fully customizable. So we love to see that. Plus all the Gemini Intelligence features like making your own widget or Magic Queue, if it works, should still be here. So that's useful. And then maybe the most interesting feature, at least to me, was the ability to not only adapt to whatever screen is in your car, but then you can play full screen YouTube videos in HD on the screen of the car while you're parked. Which sounds insane, but if you're an electric car, you might sit there and charge for like 30, 40 minutes. So that seems like a reasonable thing to want to do. But then when you go to drive away, the video smoothly slides over to disappear, not be distracting anymore, but it becomes automatically a background audio podcast, which is nice. But I just don't know how the phone knows that you shifted into drive. Right, because the video, it kind of implied that you shift into drive and then the video goes away. And maybe it can use your GPS data to understand that you're moving and it'll eventually go away. But it's just, I'm not sure how seamless that will be. We'll see. Also, if you don't have YouTube Premium, does it still do background play, or do you need YouTube Premium for that feature?